Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Friendship Primary from St. Catherine up against Hopewell Prep from St. Elizabeth. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Hopewell Prep won. They decided that Friendship Primary should play first. So Friendship Primary with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who was thrown into a den of lions by an evil king?
Daniel.
Correct. Bible knowledge to Hopewell Prep. Which man and woman lived in the Garden of Eden?
Adam and Eve.
Correct. Science to friendship. What is another name for the force end of a lever?
Load.
Incorrect. Effort. Science Hopewell. A knife is an example of which type of simple machine?
Wedge.
Correct. International affairs to friendship primary. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Paula May Weeks.
Correct. President of Trinidad and Tobago. International affairs to you, Hopewell Prep. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donna Parchment Brown.
Incorrect. President of Turks and Caicos, Charlene Cartwright Robinson. English language to friendship. What is the superlative word? What is the superlative of the word far?
Forest.
Incorrect. Furthest or farthest. English language to Hopewell Prep. What is the superlative of the word bad?
Worst.
Correct. Television for friendship. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lascelles Chin.
Incorrect. Don Cheadle. Television to you as well, Hopewell. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Samuel Jackson.
Judges? Accepted. Samuel L. Jackson. General knowledge to friendship primary. What are the first and last names of the inventor of diesel?
Daniel Diesel.
Incorrect. Rudolph Diesel. General knowledge, Hopewell. Give the first and last names of the inventor of the Porsche cars.
Michael Bryan.
Incorrect. Ferdinand Porsche. Social studies for friendship. When traveling by air from Europe to New York, over which ocean would you cross?
Atlantic Ocean.
Correct. Social studies for Hopewell. If you were in South America and traveled east, what continent would you get to first?
Africa.
Correct. Friendship. Music. What is the stage name of the Jamaican artist Grace Hamilton?
Spice.
Correct. Music to Hopewell. What is the stage name of the Jamaican artist Ventrice Morgan?
D'Angel.
Incorrect. Queen Ifrica. Mathematics for friendship. What is the value of 8.4 multiplied by 10,000?
84,000.
Correct. Mathematics Hopewell. What is the value of 6.153 multiplied by 10,000?
61,530.
Correct. Friendship sports is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Sci-Hope.
Incorrect. Roston Chase. Sports to you, Hopewell. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Craig Brathwaite.
Incorrect. Shannon Gabriel. Friendship. Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. No wait till drum beat.
Before you get up a morning.
Incorrect. Before you grind your axe. Jamaican affairs to you, Hopewell. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Coward man.
Easy for frightened.
Incorrect. Kip sound bone. And that's the end of section 1. The scores currently read Hopewell Prep on 6 points and Friendship Primary on 5 points. But before we go, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, 1 cocoa-full basket. It's better to start out with a smaller amount in your savings than to say you're going to save a big amount and then never do it. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.